The next tune, I'm getting this on the airwaves for Bruce, tuned in live from St. Petersburg, Florida. He got a cell reception back just in time to tune into Positive Vibrations. I love that luck. Thinking of everybody affected by Hurricane Milton, Hurricane Helene before that. Thinking of you all. Sending you all the best wishes. It's KEXP, listener-powered radio.